Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find your L report online. Need to find your employment insurance report online? You can both submit and view your L report through Service Canada's Internet Reporting Service. Start by opening your browser and searching for the L Internet Reporting Service, then open the official Service Canada page. From there, enter your social insurance number without spaces or hyphens, your 4-digit access code, and select your province or territory. Once logged in, complete the L reporting questions and submit your report. It's a good idea to save your confirmation number after submission. If you want to check your report history or payment information later, sign into your My Service Canada account, go to Employment, Insurance Benefits, and select View My Payments. This is where Service Canada provides access to your L reporting and payment details. If you've submitted reports online or by phone, if we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.